If you're experiencing issues with syncing your Minecraft account, follow these steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and connect your account effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause syncing issues. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network if necessary. Step 2. Update Minecraft. Make sure you are using the latest version of Minecraft. Check for updates in your game launcher or app store and install any available updates. An outdated version may lead to compatibility issues. Step 3. Log out and log back in. Sign out of your Minecraft account and then sign back in. This can refresh your session and resolve any temporary glitches. Go to the account settings in the game and select the option to log out. Step 4. Verify your account credentials. Double check your username and password to ensure they are entered correctly. If you've forgotten your password, use the password recovery option to reset it. Incorrect credentials can prevent successful syncing. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Minecraft support for assistance. Provide them with details about the problem, including any error messages you may have encountered. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your Minecraft account sync issue. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the community or official support channels.